Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Python 3, 8 or newer and VS Code installed. Open your project folder so the editor can detect environments, then install the Python and Jupyter extensions. Once done, create a new IPIN or open an existing notebook file. Make sure VS Code's status bar shows a selected interpreter. If not, pick the right environment. This gets you into an executable notebook context quickly, avoiding wasted setup loops so you can run cells immediately. You now focus on the kernel and workflow. Select the interpreter or kernel from the top right kernel picker so code runs in the intended environment. Install missing packages into that environment and restart the kernel when dependencies change. Run cells with Shift plus Enter, use run above / below to control flow, and run all to execute the full notebook. Make use of the variables pane and output inspector to track data. These tools speed debugging and keep results reproducible across runs. You finish by saving and exporting. Rely on autosave but hit save before exporting to HTML or PDF via the command palette. If outputs differ locally, open the integrated terminal and install or update packages in the active environment, then restart the kernel. When things go wrong, first check the selected interpreter path and the Jupyter extension logs. Often a mismatched environment or outdated extension is the culprit. If needed, reload the window or reinstall the extension to restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.